Just 2 months into 2023 and it already seems to be the year of AIs. The rise of artificial intelligence has become the topic of conversation for everyone in the industry ever since Microsoft and Google announced their AI-powered tools. And right now, Opera is planning to incorporate AI into its content apps and web browsers as well. Opera is introducing Shorten, a ChatGPT-powered tool to generate summaries of web pages and articles. Let's take a look at what Opera is planning for. Opera announced a new feature that will be added to its browser sidebar called Shorten. The tool is a ChatGPT-powered service that can be used to generate summaries of web pages and articles. In an official blog post, Opera announced that it is integrating AI-generated content AIGC services into its PC and mobile browsers. The company is also taking steps towards expanding its existing AI program into AIGC for its browser, news and gaming products through its solutions and new as well as existing partnerships. The blog also displays a short demo video that gives us a glimpse of how ChatGPT will be integrated into the browser. Have a look at the video. However, the new feature hasn't been made available to all the users as of now, but looking at the storm in the field of AI, it can be said that the company will make it available to the common people as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Good luck.